In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a responsive sidebar layout with CSS. You'll build a clean navigation menu, a flexible content area, and a modern dashboard-style design. Plus, the sidebar automatically moves on smaller screens for a better mobile experience. Inside the body, create a div element and give it the class container. This container will wrap the entire layout. Inside the container, add an aside element with the class sidebar. The sidebar will hold the navigation menu. Inside the sidebar, create an H2 heading and set the text to menu. Below the heading, create an unordered list. Inside the list, add the first list item and type dashboard. Add another list item and type projects. Create a third list item and type tasks. Then add a fourth list item and type settings. These menu items will appear inside the sidebar section. After the aside element, create a main element with the class content. This area will contain the primary page content. Inside the main element, add an H1 heading. Set the heading text to main content. Below the heading, create a paragraph element. Type your content goes here. The sidebar and content section are now placed inside the same container. This creates a basic dashboard layout structure. Finally, link the HTML file to the CSS file in the head section. Start with the universal selector. Set margin to 0. Set padding to 0. Set box sizing to border box. Now target the body element. Set the font family to Arial, sans serif. Set the background color to dark blue. Set the minimum height to 100 viewport height. Set display to flex. Use justify content center. Use align items center. Add 20 pixels of padding. Next, target the container. Set display to flex. Enable flex wrap. Set the width to 100%. Set the maximum width to 1000 pixels. Set the background color to white. Apply a border radius of 12 pixels. Set overflow to hidden. Set the minimum height to 400 pixels. Now target the sidebar. Set the background color to dark blue. Set the text color to white. Add 30 pixels of padding. Set the width to 250 pixels. Set flex shrink to 0. Next, target the unordered list inside the sidebar. Remove the list styling. Add a top margin of 20 pixels. Now target the list items. Add 12 pixels of padding to the top and bottom. Apply a bottom border using a lighter blue color. Next, target the content section. Add 30 pixels of padding. Set flex to 1. Now target the H1 heading inside the content section. Set the text color to dark blue. Add a bottom margin of 15 pixels. Finally, create a media query. Set the maximum width to 600 pixels. Inside the media query, target the sidebar. Set the width to 100%. This allows the sidebar to take the full width on smaller screens. Now you have a responsive sidebar layout with a clean navigation menu and flexible content area. The layout adapts smoothly on smaller screens for a better user experience. Subscribe to DevFix for more HTML and CSS tutorials.